Right, there's a few brackets we just need to put back on the bottom of the floor and inside the boot. So we're looking at these ones right now, support brackets for the subframe. Gonna just get them cleaned up. Basically gonna possibly put a couple of plug welds through, maybe on there, and otherwise just pretty much seam weld around the edge of that. So what I need to do, I've had it in place, I've just scored around it. Just going to clean away all the paint, put some weld through prime on, then get it welded on. Then obviously the same on that side. So yeah, we'll get the grinder out and let's clean up. Okay, I think that is enough on that side. Tiny bit there. I won't bore you with that side, but we'll come back once that's ground down or linished back or whatever, paint's come off, and then put some weld through primer on. Then we'll join us when we're doing the welding probably. Right then, just a minute or two away from getting the welder out here now. I'll show you I've got these bolted in, and I've used the hammer to try and get them as close up tight to the arches as I can. Also obviously we've done the weld through primer underneath. So yeah, I'll show you in there. What I decided to do was put a plug weld here, here and here, and then we'll be seam welding along as best we can. It's a bit far away there, so I'm going to have to try and knock that in or lean on that a bit when we're welding up. The reason for the plug welds as well as the seam welds is just in case one form of welding's not quite as strong. It's all good metal around here, but these just reinforcement brackets, would like them to be mounted in as well as possible. Obviously the same over that side with those holes drilled. So time to get the welder out, I think. Right, bring you in and show you, we've now got these two brackets for the rear subframe in. So access was not very good. So there's one down there, it'll be behind the fuel tank, and there's one here. Couldn't really get the welder in or access to grind as well, it's pretty terrible. But they'll be strong enough, so at least they're in. Next up, I think it's probably going to be a couple of brackets for the back of the floor. I think they're called slinger brackets. Well, that's what it says on the label anyway. So I've got this one. It's from the left hand side that I saved. So we'll put that on. and then I had to buy a new one for the right hand side, so that's this one. There you go, there's the part number on there. So yeah, obviously got to remove paint, and this one I've got a cure rust and treat, and then yeah, I'll be welding them on. So they're the next two. And with the cure rust on there, matched up to the replacement part, this hole for drainage, stop it rusting out so much.